Hi guys, welcome to Placeboard to Edu and my name is Vinay Kumar Nainapathani. Today we are going to learn the relation between HCF and LCM. Relation means how HCF is used in finding LCM or how LCM is used in finding HCF. That's what we are going to learn in this module, and also we are going to do 4 different types of problems. LCM of fractions and HCF of fractions. What is the other number when one number is given and the HCF and LCM of them are given, and the special case of this one is LCM and HCF of 0 and 5. Why to waste the time? Let's get started. In order to know the relation between LCM and HCF, you need to observe these formulas. Okay, LCM of fractions, HCM of fractions, and product of any two numbers. LCM of fractions is nothing but LCM of numerators and HCF of denominators, right? HCF of fractions is HCF of numerators and LCM of denominators, and product of any two numbers is equals to HCF and LCM of them. Here we have listened new terms like numerators and denominators. Let me explain what are those, and then we are going to solve the problems. For example, 5 by 6. Okay, here this is a fraction. In a fraction, there will be two digits and a dash separating it. Okay, so the digit which is above the dash is nothing but numerator, and the digit which is below the dash, that is denominator. Understood? It is clear, right? What if the fraction is 1 5 by 6? This is known as mixed fraction. We should convert into normal fraction, and then we have to see the numerator and denominator. So let us see how to convert mixed to normal fraction. For that, this is the denominator that we have to write here. This is the denominator, and the numerator will be 6 into 1 plus 5. Understood? I'm writing it here. 6 into 1 plus 5 is nothing but 11 by 6. Here 11 is numerator, 6 is denominator. Understood? Whatever may be the mixed fraction, if it is like A, B by C format, then the conversion will be like A into C plus B by C. This is what the conversion is. I think it is clear. Okay. Now we are going to solve the problems. The first problem is LCM of 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. LCM of fractions is LCM of numerators. So what are the numerators here? Numerators are 1 and 3. Since they are above the dash, so 1 and 3 are the numerators. Okay, what are the denominators? Denominators are 2 and 4. Since they are below the dash, they are denominators. So 2 comma 4. Now the next step is to find the LCM of numerators. LCM of 1 and 3 is nothing but 3, right? You better check the previous videos for finding the LCM. I gave the link in description and iCard. And what we have to find, the next step is HCF of denominators. HCF of denominator, it is the denominators are 2 and 4. So I need to find the HCF. I have to do the prime factorization, right? 2 and for 4 it is 2 by 2 and the common thing is 2. Therefore, the highest common factor, that is HCF, is 2. Now what I have to do, I just have to write them as a fraction. Therefore, I'm writing them as a fraction like 3 by 2. That's it. That's the answer. So the LCM of these two fractions is nothing but 3 by 2. Okay, next question. HCF of 4 by 9 and 5 by 6. HCF of fractions is HCF of numerators and LCM of denominators. Again, I'm going to write what are the numerators and denominators. So what are the numerators? Numerators are 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5. Denominators are 9 and 6. So denominators are 9 and 6. Now what I have to do? I have to find the HCF of numerators. So I have to find the HCF of these two. Is there any common number between these two? Yes, it is 1. So the HCF is very easy for 4 and 5, and that is 1. So now I have to find the LCM of these denominators. In order to find the LCM, I'm using the division method, like 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. That is 3 into 3 into 2, which is equals to 18. I'm writing the result here, that is 1 by 18. So the HCF of these two fractions is very easy, that it is 1 by 18. Understood? Next, given the HCF of two numbers is 5 and LCM is 400, if one of the numbers is 80, then what will be the other numbers? Product of any two numbers is HCF and LCM of them. Here, important point is any in the sense non-zero. It should not be 0. None of the numbers should be 0. Understood? Any non-zero numbers, product of any non-zero numbers is equals to HCF into LCM of them. So we have two numbers. HCF of two numbers is 5 and LCM is 400. What if one of the numbers is 80? So we have one number, that is 80, and the unknown number, let us assume as N2. We have HCF 5 and LCM is 400. Okay, that's nice, right? 4 hundreds and 4 twos, 5 fours and 4 25s. I'm just doing the division. Therefore, I got the second number is 25. Understood? Important point that should be remembered is nothing but it should be non-zero. Our next question is LCM and HCF of 0 and 5. Basically, LCM means what we write here is 0 into 5 sort like 0. So LCM is 0. And HCF something like for 5. This is what we'll write from our previous lectures, right? But this is wrong. This is wrong because for this you have to go into the definitions of LCM. LCM is nothing but a number. LCM is a number which should be divided by two numbers. That is, A and B are two numbers, so we will get a number C, right? Then the condition is C by A should be valid and C by B should be valid. This is the condition. When we are considering the LCM of 0 and 5, if the answer is 0, if the answer is 0, then 0 by 0 and 0 by 5 should be the cases, right? So 0 by 5 is valid, but this is invalid. Therefore, LCM of 0 and 5 is invalid or not defined. Okay, this should be the answer. Not only 0 and 5, whatever may be the number. So 0 and non-zero number is invalid or not defined. And the next one is HCF. Coming to the definition of HCF, Whenever A and B are there, okay, the HCF of A and B is C, let it be. Now what we have to check is A by C is valid, B by C is valid. Understand? See the difference. Here it is C by A and C by B. LCM is this one, which is in the numerator. Here the HCF is in the denominator. That's the difference. So now for example 0 and 5, I am taking 5 as the HCF. So I have to see A 0 by 5 and B 5 by 5. So this is valid and this is valid. Therefore HCF is 5. Understood? Therefore LCM is not valid and HCF is 5. These are the solutions for the questions. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you guys didn't like this video, please let me know through comments what are the developments to be done. Thank you.